is it mostly meant for renewals and cross-selling, or is it mostly meant for new business, or it really covers both worlds?
Yeah, I was invited to a mastermind with a whole bunch of seven-figure agency owners in Nashville. And almost all of them use my system, which is really cool. And they were saying, hey, Alex, how would you describe Agent CRM? Because a lot of them have been using Agent CRM for years. Many of them started using it when they first got into the business in the pandemic, and then they grew their agency to seven figures on their own hard work. The platform was just a part of the success. And now they're like, how would you describe it? And the way I describe Agent CRM is our tool helps you maximize the profit in your pipeline, right? And so, a lot of agencies buy leads. Right? So let's just use some like round numbers, right? So let's say you're a life insurance agent and you're buying exclusive leads for $25 each. And the average commission is $500. Again, I'm using really round numbers just for the sake of the conversation. So if I can help you get your closing ratio from 1 in 6, which is 16%, to 1 in 4, which is 25% closing, that 9% difference is a 70% profit margin bump, right? So we're talking about minor, small changes. Like, how can we improve every step of the buyer cycle? Because just a couple 1% improvements in how you communicate with your prospects can create a very large difference in your profit margin. And so we built Agent CRM to really maximize the profit in your pipeline, both in new leads, but also in retention. That's a huge deal. And then referrals and cross-selling. So we really want to make it so that you're closing deals on the front end and set up to then close more deals on the back end. One of the things that we found really interesting, Tony, talking about cross-selling, so we're working with a Medicare agent, and last year, him and his office, they closed 1,300 about Medicare. They signed up 1,300 Medicare clients. Phenomenal. And right before open enrollment, we set up one automation. And the automation was, if they didn't get a dental policy with the agent on the phone, then they were put inside a column in their pipeline called Medicare No Dental. So if they won the prospect, they went into one of two columns: Medicare with dental, Medicare no dental. Well, we helped him write an email campaign for the ones that went into the Medicare no dental. And the emails, it was like a 3-email sequence. And it was like, hey, I'm so sorry, Tony. It looks like I didn't even bring up dental insurance while we were on the phone together. I would love to serve and support your family by providing, them with dental insurance. If you're open to that, schedule a call with me. This calendar is just to fix my issue or fix my error of not talking to you about dental insurance. And just that, it was a 15-minute call, because, there's not a lot to go over on dental insurance. Either want it or you don't. And that one automation, Tony, resulted in 427 dental policies sold last year. That one automation. So it was one cross-selling automation, 427 dental policies, just by sending a couple emails and saying, oops, and then getting him to schedule a phone call with a person on his team to help him get that set up. So it's just one example of a way how automation can help an agent dramatically increase their profit.